Cameraman here, folks. What's up, everybody? I used to do a lot of story times, and I'm getting a lot of requests. We need story time. We need story time. So I just dug one up. All right. Now I'm cruising through my neighborhood. It's a Sunday. I'm out on Long Island. Oh, look at this. Santa's going on the fire truck. Let me flip it. Hold on, folks. We're gonna flip it and see Santa on the fire truck. You know what? I lost him. Anyway, my grandson's waiting for Santa. So years ago, oh, there he is. See him? There's Santa. Oh, we're gonna find Santa. This is America, folks. This is what you do. They come out. Santa Claus is out. The fire trucks are driving them around. Come on, man. This is what you do. Look at that. See? See Santa? Hold on. Look at that. Oh, fuck. Come on, folks. That's what you do. Everybody's out waiting for Santa. Season's greetings. Look at that. Come on. That's America, folks. That's what you do. Love it or leave it. And I'm not talking shit right now either. Let me flip this back around. I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Hold on. How the fuck do I do that? Huh. I'm back! Alright, let me back my car up here. What am I doing? Okay, so years ago, me and Stuntman are minding our business, as always. Going about our day, working. Dead serious, just going about our day, working. So a friend of mine had a store. It wasn't like a retail store. It was more like he had like an office where he used to work out of. And all of his businesses and stores, because he made a lot of moves over the years, were like the headquarters for where everybody would meet up. You knew that you could go by his place and everybody was there, all the guys, you know, and you never know who was going to be there when you popped up, you know. At any time, 100 different people could rotate, more in and out of that store or one of his businesses. And so he's in Queens, Flushing, and me and Stuntman, my brother, we said, hey, you know what? Let's go over there. We're going to see, we'll go see how everybody's doing. So we go there. My friend Joe is there. He's pissed. He's pissed, man. Now, Joe's a little bit older than us, and you know, his kids were bigger at the time. My kids were young, you know. And we're like, yo, what's the matter? He's like, oh, motherfucker. I'm like, dude, talk to me. He's talking to my friend. He's like, it's fucking my daughter's fucking boyfriend. He fucking put his hands on her. He hit her. I go, oh, really? Where is this motherfucker? He's like, I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure out where he's at. So it's kind of like the afternoon, you know? And we go looking for him. So we find out a couple of places where he could be. And one of them is a bar. So we go to the bar, and he's in the bar. But the bar's packed. The bar's packed. I go, listen to me. I said. He goes, I'm going in there. Let's go. I said, let me explain something to you. I said, I'm with it. I'll go in there. I've done it before. I'll go fight a bar with 30 guys in it. But it's not the smartest thing to do. If you want to get your point across and let this guy know what time it is, we got to do this right. I said, because if we go in the bar, it's 5 of us. It's me, Stuntman, Joe, my other friend. I'm not mentioning his name because he might not want me to mention his name. And another friend. So there's only 5 of us. Now, we go in there. We're going to get lumped up. I'm not looking to get lumped up. It's not necessary. You do it right, you don't get lumped up, and you win. You don't go in there and catch a beating. It's just not smart. You got to use your head. Can't always act on emotion. So he's pissed off. So he's thinking emotion. Now, my friend Joe, about my height, about my build, but his hands, I can't explain it, man. He had a pinky ring once, right? So I said, let me see your ring. It's a really cool ring. It's like a Rolex ring with diamonds all over it. I take his pinky ring, I put it on my thumb, and I'm going like this with the ring. It's spinning around on my thumb. I go, what the fuck is with these hands? I look, it's like he's got like clubs. Anyway, he's good at he'll catch somebody, even as an older guy. He knocks people out. He shows me to snap. He's like, what you got to do is you got to snap it, snap it, snap it. I'm like, all right. So anyway, he's known for knocking people out. So I'm like, listen, let's get the fuck out of here. So now we leave, we regroup, and we wait. We go grab some food or whatever, and we're planning on how we're going to approach this guy. So go grab some food. We sit. We're like, listen, we'll go by his house. Ring the bell and say, what the fuck's going on? You know, whatever. We'll straighten it out one way or another. So maybe 2-3 hours goes by, right? Guy's probably home. We say, all right, we'll go by his house. We go by his house, ding dong, ring the bell, and he comes to the door. And one of my friends takes a swing at him. Just barely nips his chin. Doesn't even, didn't hurt him. Not like Woodley last night with, jeez, did you guys see that knockout? Poof. Tell you, man, that Jake Paul is not my favorite character, but that could have went either way. Woodley could have caught him too, but man, he starched him. Anyway, my friend takes a swing at him. I'm like, fuck. So I fucking whack. I hit him. So after I crack him, my friend Joe steps up with the knockout punch and fucking whack. The kid's like, so now what I did was I said, I'm going to do one of my grand finales because I love to do a grand finale. So what I do is I grab him and I take him and I throw him over his railing because he's at his front door into his hedges. You know, it's like an embarrassment tactic. Like, you want to be a fucking tough guy hitting girls, I'm going to fucking emasculate you. So we take him, I grab him and I fucking wing him into the hedges. Just as I do that, and I don't even know this is going to happen, Stuntman, you know his nickname was Batman. Stuntman comes with the bat. Bing! Right over his fucking head. I go, oh my God. It's like a home run, man. Whack! Right over his fucking head with the baseball bat. We all look at each other. The kid just drops. I'm like, hope this kid fucking makes it. And we're out of there. We fucking scatter. And we got separate cars because we kind of met up, went and grabbed some food, and then jumped in our cars like, oh, we'll go see this kid and then we'll end the day, you know? We get the fuck out of there. Fucking helicopters flying around looking. They went all out. They're like, this is crazy. Cops everywhere. The whirly birds up there. And we drive nice and easy. And we all went our own way, called each other, you good, you good, you good. Everybody was good. Funny part of this story, years later, she gets married. So we're all at the wedding and we're all sitting there relaxing. Everybody's with their wives, their kids, their families, whatever. Beautiful place in Long Island. And his son was the best man at the wedding. So this is the daughter getting married. So he's doing his speech and everybody's listening. And he goes, and I know you'll always take such good care of my sister because if you don't, we know how that works out. Not good. The whole place knew what happened. You know, probably 30 or 40% of the guys knew the real story, and everybody just busted out laughing, knowing, and they all looked at us like, ah, you know, like, and me and Stuntman is just like, you know, it's the way we work, and that's the way we do it. But yeah, that was a long, I mean, Jesus Christ, probably 20 years ago. But yeah, just minding our business. Don't hit girls. That's the moral of the story. But yeah, man, back in the day, we did not play. We still don't play, but I do everything I can to avoid any bullshit situations. I don't want to be bothered. I'm living my life. I got a baby seat in the car. Come on. That's how we do it out here. But anyway, I thought I'd hit you guys with a quick story time. Just a little something. I wanted to let a lot of time go by before I told that particular story. But, yeah, she obviously didn't marry that guy. But it is what it is, man. You know, guys get stupid and they do things. You don't do that. You don't, listen, you don't do it. It's not right to do. Sometimes you might feel like you want to do it. I get it. I understand. But you don't. It's not right. But, yeah, more stories to come. Quick story time, folks. I'm doing my running around. It's right before Christmas. And, yeah, you just saw Santa Claus. I got a birthday coming up, folks. I'm forever young. Don't forget it. Forever young. Like, comment, subscribe. We ain't going nowhere, folks. We're doing our thing. This COVID is running crazy right now. Be safe. It is what it is. The phone always rings. Thank the good Lord. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna grab the phone, try and make some money. I am out.